What happens if a person goes into a black hole? Did you know that some black holes are as small as just one atom yet contain the mass of a giant mountain? What even is a black hole? Black holes are places in space where the gravity is so immensely strong, due to the massive amount of matter squeezed into them relative to their size, that nothing can escape its pull. Not planets, not stars, and not even electromagnetic radiation such as light. Because no light can escape, black holes cannot be seen, they are invisible, appearing black against the background of space. The only way scientists know of their existence is by using specialized telescopes to observe the behavior of stars and gas surrounding them, and how their behavior changes as their distance from the black hole vary. Are there different types? There are indeed a few types of black holes. The smallest are as minuscule as just one atom, however, they contain the mass of a large mountain. Putting that into perspective, a droplet of water contains 2 sextillions, atoms of oxygen, and twice that many of hydrogen. Imagine that number of large mountains squashed into the size of a droplet of water. That's dense. There are also stellar black holes, which are much larger, and form when the center of very big stars die and collapse in on themselves. The largest black holes are referred to as supermassive, and their cool name is definitely deserved. These black holes have masses that are equal to more than 1 million of our Sun put together and are found at the center of galaxies. You may be familiar with the shape of our galaxy, the Milky Way. It looks like a spiral spinning around a central core, and there's a reason for this. Our galaxy, like every other galaxy, is orbiting around a supermassive black hole, the spiral appearing tighter in the center due to the higher gravitational pull these stars are experiencing relative to stars at a further distance. So what happens if a person goes into a black hole? Remember I told you black holes had an exceptionally strong gravitational pull? Legendary scientist Albert Einstein determined that gravity, if strong enough, can warp space and time as we know it and cause it to curve. Therefore, if an object is dense enough, think of all the mountains in the single water droplet, it can literally curve in on itself and burrow a hole right into the fabric of space. The deeper you go into the burrow, the more warped and mangled it gets until you reach the singularity. This is the point where the curving of space and time becomes infinite, space and time as concepts become meaningless, and the laws of physics, which rely on space and time to be constant, no longer apply. So, if someone were to go into a black hole, reality would sort of split. What's your opinion?